Hi, this is Tommy Rafferty from Blueprint Autos down in Roscommon. Tommy, you're back at AutoInform again. Are you happy you came?
Oh God, yeah. I mean, it's fantastic here. You can keep up to date with stuff, hear about the latest things, in with guys that are really in touch with what's going on in the trade, and you need that to keep up to speed, especially in the independent sector as well.
Absolutely. And you've been to obviously AutoInform a couple of times, but you continue to keep coming. Do you find that there's different sessions all the time, that there's newer information coming down the line continuously?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, stuff is changing so rapidly at the moment. You really have to be in touch with what's going on, and the technology is changing really rapidly at the moment, and these guys are up to date with it. You're talking to guys that are producing these components and in touch with manufacturers as well. So it's a good place to get up to speed.
Great. Listen, thank you so much. I know you're heading off to another training section. Thanks very much. Take care.